What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to make a quick video today for anybody who's out there who's doing van life or vending from a small trailer, or even has like a work truck that they want to cool down and also heat up in the winter. I have a working solution for you here. Just gonna reverse my camera. All right, here we have my Bluetti eb3a. You can see it's putting out 312 watts. And I have that right now plugged into my Midea 8000 BTU window style AC and heat. As you can see, it's running it. The compressor is on. This has one of those inverter compressors where if you don't overwork it, it doesn't draw as much power as your typical 5000 even BTU. So right now you can see I'm on cool mode right here. It's lit up. I have it set to 74. I haven't actually checked the interior, but you can see my space here. This is going to be a vending trailer. It's fully insulated except for the windows. But my next test will be to run the thing and see how it does as far as keeping this trailer cool. But the main purpose of this video is just to show you that you can run an 8000 BTU air conditioner off of just one of these 250 watt-hour batteries. As you can see, it says I have 0.4 of an hour left on here. You can see that the wattage is dropping as the compressor slows down, which is fantastic. So this is actually going to run for half an hour, meaning that obviously you wouldn't want to just run this for half an hour and have the battery die. But let's say that you have a solar setup. What you would do is you would attach that to this, and if it puts out even 200 to, let's say, 400 watts, you can run this AC off of that battery basically as long as the sun is up, so as long as you'd really need it. And then in the wintertime, if you're going to run the heat, and I have tested the wattage on the heat, it runs anywhere from 500 to 650 or so watts. So for that, I'm going to say get a bigger battery setup, bigger solar setup. Obviously in the winter, most places aren't getting as much sunlight for solar, but even a gas generator could run that no problem. I mean, most inverter generators these days are rated for at least 2,000 watts. So yeah, for anybody out there who says that a smaller battery backup system can't run an AC, I think they're really talking about older AC models without the inverter. Go ahead and give this a try. On AC, I had it down to 68, and the highest I saw the wattage go was about 350. So we can try to demonstrate that. Go ahead and lower the temperature down to 68. And it may take a minute or so before the compressor kicks on. It may happen immediately. But if we look at our station here, it's only putting out 171 watts. So I'm thinking the compressor hasn't really kicked on yet. Now, because I insulated this trailer, it might just be that the trailer is cooling down already and it doesn't have to work that hard to cool. But as you can see here, it's climbing. We're getting close to 300 watts, which is a fair amount of power. But I mean, one good size solar panel on the roof of your trailer or van, or even next to your trailer or van on a lawn or a sidewalk or something, parking lot, it's going to give you most of what you need to run that air conditioner. As you can see, I have a refrigerator in here that I'm also going to be running, a fan, and a few lights. Actually, this light is attached to solar that's already wired outside, so that's not drawing from batteries. But I do plan on getting a bigger battery to run things, probably around 2,000 watt hours or so, just to give me a few hours of runtime for all these things. I also have a 400 watt panel that's going to go up on the roof here. And with all that, I think I should be okay. But just in case I'm not, I do have a gas generator but hopefully I won't have to run that thing all the time. I don't want to have to continuously buy ethanol-free gas. It's not the cheapest thing, and it's not the easiest thing to source. So yeah, that pretty much concludes my video. If you have any questions, reach out. The rating on this station is 268 watt hours with like a peak output of 1200, I want to say, and heavy lifting mode 600. So well within the range of operation for this AC. Again, it ran both the heat and the cooling function on this machine, which is just downright impressive. So yeah, so far very impressed. Midea, way to go with this product. 8,000 BTU is going to keep this small space under 100 square foot. It's going to keep it cool. Even when I have the window open, I'll still have a cool breeze at my back. All right, hope you like that. Thanks for watching.